be running let me run it.
Okay.
Hey babe, he's running nitrous on it. This is a balls to the walls run right here.
Couple of V8s. Have to wait to see these guys run. Got the Fox body Mustang in the left lane. Right lane's got the Trans Am. So we got the General on the right, the Blue Oval on the left. Domestic car race here. Both V8s.
Muscle car.
See who's gonna win.